Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel, Achievers Data Engineering. My name is Gyanendra and this is part 3rd of Power BI Beginner to Pro crash course. In this video, we will talk about navigating in the desktop application, which we have downloaded and installed as a part of our previous video. So let's get started. Right guys, so if you have downloaded and installed Power BI desktop application, once you will go ahead and click on open it, this is the view that you will get to see once you will open your desktop application. Now on this pop-up menu, it will say collaborate and share, and it will prompt you to sign in. And if you talk about in the right, there are a couple of links given that will say what's new. So here you will be able to see any latest updates launched by Power BI. Now this will lead you towards a Power BI blog where you can get a couple of resources, latest news and updates from Power BI team. And similarly, this is forum where you can ask questions and interact with other Power BI users, and you can sign on the Power BI community and ask your questions over there. And last but not the least, it's a tutorial link, so you can go ahead and click on this link that will lead you towards a couple of tutorials which are provided by Microsoft Learn team. So you can follow these paths and follow along, and you can maybe become a data analyst, go for the certification and learn while you go. All right, coming back to desktop application, over here you will get a link to get data. We will talk about this in details in our upcoming videos. And if you are opening it for the first time, you won't see anything, but because I have already working on it, so it is showing recent files which I have worked on over here. Now for now, let me just go ahead and close this one. Now at this point of time, you will get to see a couple of links which will again prompt you to add data into your report. So maybe we can directly click on this link and get data from any Excel file. Maybe we can connect from SQL Server, paste data into a blank table, or try with a sample data set. So we'll connect with the data in our upcoming videos. For now, let's talk about what are the other options available. Starting with a file, once you will click on the file, you will get to see these common options like save, save as, get data, import, export. And if you'll click on get started, you will again get this window back. All right, on the home ribbon, these are the options. So get data, again, these are the options to get data. We'll talk about in great details in our upcoming videos. Or we can directly click on a particular connection, maybe Excel, Data Hub or SQL Server, to get the data, or like from Dataverse or any recent sources which we have worked on. All right, now this transform data will lead you on to the query editor where we can go ahead and transform data. Obviously, we will take a look. Now going back to insert options, there are a couple of these more options. We will talk about all of these options on the go. It's not possible and won't sound logical talking about all these options at this point of time. If we take a look on this side, there are 3 views available in Power BI. The first one, which is the default view, which opens whenever we open Power BI desktop application. It is called report view because whatever reports or visualization we will be preparing will be available in this view. Now the second is data view. Data view will display any data which we have. Now in case of we are working on any import mode queries, then we will be able to see those tables over here, like tables and the data into that we will be able to see them over here. Now third view is hierarchical view, or you can call it model view. Over here we will work on data model. So for example, if we have couple of tables, we can define their relationships and hierarchies in this table or in this view. All right, now talking about these panes. So this is the default visualization pane where we can select which kind of chart we want to prepare. In this, we will be able to see any data which we have. We will be able to see the list of columns, tables available in our data model, and we will be able to drag them over here. using this filter pane, we will be able to apply filters into the reports and the pages. So there's a lot to learn. So it's just the basics, and let's continue with the learning process in our upcoming videos. We will go ahead and connect with the data. So that's it for this video. If you like the content, do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Have a great day, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos of Power BI Beginner to Pro tutorial series. Thank you.